What's up, guys? This is DubEndz, and this is Astryx, and we have made this game. And this game is pretty awesome. You guys might want to check it out if you guys have time, but seriously, check it out. And this is like a really cool game. It's called Sploof. Astryx will fill you in on the detail here. So,
Alright, so here we have how to play. Get the equipment from the chest, which consists of diamond armor, potion regeneration, bows, and arrows. Every chest has the same thing, and
mhm.
you press the button to get ready, and the torch up here, which will tell you if you're ready or not. On would be ready, and off would be not ready. And when everybody is ready, you would a waterfall would pop down from each of the corners, and you go down the waterfall and you try to shoot your opponents to knock them off, and last man standing wins. And just for a side note, the game resets after 5 minutes, so all the waterfalls would turn off. And yeah, so
Mhm.
now we'll give you a demonstration of how to play this game. We
It's
get
game
the
time, baby.
diamond armor,
Take one row if you want.
so you
One
can
row
play
just makes it
multiple
equal.
times. Play multiple
Yeah,
times.
3 times, I think. And if you guys are wondering how this map was made, um, I was the designer and he was Redstone engineering. He helped me with most of the designs. I just made like the general designs, like all that and stuff.
Alright,
So let's get started.
press the two buttons on your side.
Okay, hold on. Trying to fix this. Okay.
Go on the cool color side. And see all the redstone torches light up.
Mhm.
Water comes down, and we go down. Make sure you get some air where you wish. You took a long
Oh,
time to
try
get
not to
down.
drown. And then we start to
What
shoot
the?
away.
Why's your waterfall going down?
Uh.
Why's your waterfall going down, Ish?
No.
Oh well, technical difficulties. You'll fix
It's not
that
taking
later.
difficult.
You'll fix that later.
No.
No! Well,
Uh, we the spawns will be fixed later, so don't worry, guys. You guys don't spawn on the map like this. This is just temporarily stuff. So don't get freaked out.
what the heck? Your waterfall came back.
Hmm.
Your waterfall came back.
Wow.
Hmm.
So I guess that's it. If you guys want more detail, just put in the comment section. If you guys want to make a different version, you guys can. Uh, please leave a like, subscribe, and guess this is it.
Want me to just sit here and then speed up the video to show that the game does reset after 5 minutes?
Yeah,
Alright, I'm just gonna sit in this corner.
and I'll be in this corner and stop the video or stop the thing when you're done.
Time lapsing. Then